Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing of the Hurricane ukulele. Now this model is the thin body travel tenor ukulele and it goes for about $96 on their website. So they're kind enough to send me one and I wanted to do this little review to kind of check it out for myself and let you guys see how it is. So first thing out of the box is a guitar / ukulele strap, which to me it kind of has like this rustic feel to it, and it is great quality. If you guys saw my other ukulele video, ukulele unboxing video, then you know I didn't really like the guitar strap too much, but this one looks pretty cool. If I ever use it, I'll probably use this guitar strap. So for the ukulele bag itself, it's probably one of the better quality ones that I've seen. There's padding all over it to keep your ukulele protected, and also the over-the-shoulder strap that they have, which you can unbuckle. Now the zipper is pretty tight, so you can't put too much things in it. What I did find inside though was a bag with the ukulele strings and also a cleaning cloth. And then this bag also has a handle which gives it an easy grab for hand carrying. And I almost forgot to mention that it opens up all the way so that you have no limitations of, you know, taking out your ukulele or putting it back in. And finally, we get to check out the actual ukulele. So now this is a tenor ukulele with the solid spruce body, a walnut fingerboard, and it comes with nylon strings. And as you guys can see, there is the strap holder built in. But on the other side, you can actually tie it to the I guess the headstock of it. But looking at this is very great conditions, and I'm very curious to see how this will sound like. So let's get this into tuning. I'm not going to tune it to traditional. I'm just going to try and see just kind of experiment with the tuning, and we'll see how this sounds like. So I'm going to be using my Zoom H1n for the audio, so you guys can actually hear it clearly, and we'll see how this sounds. So far so good. It sounds really nice, and it sounds really loud too. So I have not really played with an ukulele like this, and I was kind of curious on how it would actually sound like. But so far it's pretty loud. I mean, I could also be playing loud too, but it sounds really, really good. Now the quality of this, I like it. It definitely, it's definitely a really, I'd say a really well-made ukulele, and I've gotten to review some ukuleles already, but this one, like, there's no cracks, there's no little dents here and there, and it just sounds good too. So So for the next few weeks, I am gonna be testing out this ukulele. I'll probably make another video and just kind of show you guys how it sounds. I still need to stretch the strings a little more, but so far this ukulele has been sounding really good. If you guys want to check it out, this is affordable and quality ukulele. You guys can check out the links down below, either in the comments or the description of this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't yet. Give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.